Oh my goodness. Hold on. We have to stop the show, guys. Showstopper. We have a new sponsor of the channel. James Harmon has dropped the $50 super sticker, guys. Now, let's see in the chat who thinks that there's any possibility that Chicken Hawk had a 50% cast to catch ratio. And on top of that, how many casts were there? Don't say 2. How many casts did you take? How many casts were there?
I can't remember that one, but I'm telling you.
Just give us a guess.
If you get on a school,
then
I've done it then.
Mick.
I did that. I did that on Sinclair. Not on on Sinclair. It was a school. It was a school.
Did somebody witness that? Who was on the boat with you?
Yes. Trying to see who was with me.
Yeah, you're trying to see who you can pay off to verify this information. That's what you're doing. Because I want to get in contact. Okay, I'm gonna get in contact with him before. What time is it?
Ask Scotty.
Before you get a chance to pay Scotty off, I'm gonna ask him and see if you caught a fish 50% of your cast. No.
That's it.
Hold on, wait a minute. LJ said he agrees that you had a 50% cash ratio if Jesus was on your boat.
With the person that was on my boat kept saying Jesus. They were like, Jesus, how many fish you gonna get out of Jesus? I'm name. Don't call me Jesus.
Now, let's see in the chat who thinks that there's any possibility that Chicken Hawk had a 50% cast to catch ratio. And on top of that, how many casts were there? Don't say 2. How many casts did you take? How many casts were there?
I can't remember that one, but I'm telling you.
Just give us a guess.
It was probably about 5. It was a school, man.
Hey. You're saying you made 5 casts? Come on, man. After all of that, guy, he just said he had 5 casts and had a 50% catch rate. Man, that is not what this question is talking about. You made 5 casts and caught 2 fish. Come on, man. Why? Oh my goodness. You didn't even give the people a chance to answer.
You asked for specifics, right? 50% is 50%. Remember?
Oh, wait a minute. I got some. Can you read these next ones real quick? I got to do something. Can you read these next ones?
Hello, how are you? All.
Go ahead and read it. Read that. Come on, man.
Hey, man.
And that's not even a 50% 5 cast. Wait a minute. You got to read your comments. These are coming in for you. Go ahead and read it. Read what does that say? What does that say?
All this over 5 damn casts.
Read the next one. What does Michael have to say?
Oh, that's too.
And look, Doug hasn't even been commenting tonight. Doug had to drop in on this. What did Doug say?
5 is a 50%. I didn't say I caught 2. I said.
What did Jason say? What did Jason say?
Oh my God.
What did Michael say?
Not half, ho.
Jay Small was in bed sleeping. He woke back up and came and said what?
He said, "Hulk that guy, baby. I've been trying to tell you."
And then we have to call the cops as you read this one.
You said 2 fish. I didn't say 2.
Wait a second. I can't read this one either. My eyes are watering.
He fishing with a Not this time. I was accolade.
Why would you have us doing all that talking and then you're gonna say you made 5 casts? Oh my goodness. You said 5 casts. All right, guys. Got to give another special shout out to the sponsor of the live stream, James Harmon. That's with his glasses on. When he takes them off, he becomes LJ, the drop shot Jedi. You know how Superman rips open his shirt and you see that S on his chest. So yes, when he takes those glasses off, he becomes LJ, the drop shot Jedi. LanierBaits.com. Make sure you guys go and check out his website. His products are great. If you fish clear lakes, Lake Lanier, Lake Russell, Hartwell, top notch, top of the line. Those are the baits that I use when I'm out on Lake Lanier, specifically those 3 lakes, guys. He has some great baits, great options, and he has tutorials on his channel. I'm not sure what the channel. Drop your YouTube. Is it James Harmon on YouTube? So he has some links in there that shows you how to use some of the specific baits. So like I said, guys, if you fish any of those lakes, you definitely want to check out his website, LanierBaits.com. All right, and let me hop back in here, guys. Let me just see who else is in here wanting to know about these 5 casts for 5 fish. This is craziness. Man, we talked all that time about a 50% catch ratio. Nobody had any idea you were about to say 5 casts, man. Who does that? Look, oh man, look, wait a minute. You bringing up all the sponsors. You woke up James too. James had said, I had to hop in on this. Did he say, he said dropped in late. Sure he wasn't fishing a hatchery? Oh my goodness. No! Oh my goodness. Let's see what Josh has to say. With that much, someone better measure all of Cajun the Hawk Sam's fish this season. Oh, goodness. Goodness, people. Let's see. 5 casts and 2 fish. Is that
I didn't say the 2 fish. You said 2 fish.
Oh my goodness. Let's see what Delta Bass has. Listen. Everybody was, they were putting on their pajamas, getting ready to go to bed. They done hop back up and came back. They were like, what just happened?
Hey man,
right, so Cajun, you got your own Cajun. Cajun Rob has something to say to you. He says fishing the kiddie pool at the fishing expo. Oh, lordy. All right, Jason says, did he say he is a programmer earlier? Good. Oh, no. Oh, my goodness.
Hey, man.
Oh, man. Oh, my goodness. Come on, man.
Hey, man. I didn't say 2 fish I caught. I said 5 casts. But go ahead.
Wait a minute. Okay, read this next one. My eye. I got something in my eye. I need you to. What does that one say? I can't.
Heck no.
I can't. Something's in my eye.
51 based on his math.
Oh my goodness. Man, how could we do all of that talking about the question of the evening? I mean, listen. This was a serious live stream. We were being serious the whole time, no jokes or anything. Until because people really needed this information. People are trying. They're trying to empower and better. And just you got me tongue tied. They're trying to empower themselves. They're looking for betterment in life. We were trying to get some really good and knowledgeable information. And here you come talking about 5 casts.
Hey.
I had no idea. I really thought that you were gonna say at least 10, and I was gonna still tell you that was not even enough. You said 5, 2, so you got 2.5 fish.
The school was moving fast, man.
Oh my goodness! What is making? Can you read that one? Can you read that? Yep, that's exactly what it said. All right. Then LJ says, yeah, until Einstein dropped his math on us. Man, come on, man. 5 casts. Mako Mill says, Hawk really brings fun to this show, man. Listen, this channel is for it's for education. This is a serious channel. I don't know what has brought us off track, guys. I mean, fishing is serious business, and this 5 cast thing is really just.
Hey man,
I mean, we had 3 professional fishermen on here. Look at this. Even Wheeler is laughing. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. Even Wheeler is laughing at this one. He is like, did he say 5 casts?
Hey, trust me. Look, the 5 casts will beat you in a tournament, though. Remember that.
Yeah, because once I find out, I'll probably be laughing so hard and fall off the boat. Oh my goodness. Oh man. All right, LJ, let's see what he has to say. He says, honestly, I don't drink, but I'm pretty sure I'm about to start with this kind of math and conversation. Yeah, let me pour this water out and put something else in this cup. All right. And Michael says, Hawk, thanks for the laugh. All right, guys. Man, all right. Let me just go through here. We've been running for 2 hours, guys. Time flies when you're having fun. And I mean, hopefully you guys have received some valuable information. That is something that I always try to bring with the live stream. You know, have some fun with it, but also make sure we bring some value and, you know, a little bit of entertainment in here. I mean, this one was kind of unexpected. Oh my goodness. Hold on. We have to stop the show, guys. Showstopper. We have a new sponsor of the channel. James Harmon has dropped the $50 super sticker, guys. Whoa. Yeah. We had to stop the show on that one, guys. Lake Lanier Baits, guys. That is who this is. Whenever you guys hear me referring to the Drop Shot Jedi, that is James Harmon. I mean, James Harmon is basically Superman with the glasses on. When he takes those glasses off, now you are seeing LJ, the Drop Shot Jedi, stepping in strong, supporting the channel with a $50 super sticker, guys. He is now the sponsor of the live stream. So let me go in here and do a little bit of work. Like I say, whoever gives the highest support of the live stream for that evening becomes a sponsor of the channel. LanierBaits.com, guys. That is who this is being changed to. So actually, let me go in here and put some respect on his name. So we have James Harmon. And let me make sure I spell that right. All right, guys. And let me just add this on here so you guys will be able to see it. LanierBaits.com. He is the sponsor of the live stream. All right, have that in there. So now take a look at this banner down here, guys. Let me make sure I got that updated right. Have to make sure I got some respect on his name, like I said. All right, just bear with me. Where did it go? All right, there we go, guys. Special thank you so much to the sponsor of the live stream, James Harmon, LanierBaits.com, guys. Wow, really appreciate that, guys. I mean, we get together, we have fun. We're trying to drop information with a little bit of entertainment with it, guys. Really appreciate you guys seeing the value of the information and the channel. Really appreciate that, LJ. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get back to it. But hey, really appreciate that, LJ. Like I said, the invitation is open. Just hit me up on my Instagram. Let me know when you have some free time. I will come over because I think you have a dock out there on the lake someplace. Just let me know the coordinates. I will come and scoop you up and take you out so we can, you know, we can do a little something and send some photos back to Chicken Hawk so he can see what some real fish look like. So we can do we can do that and
I
make
caught
that
fish out
happen.
there on